Homeowners in Conshohocken take pride in creating safe, comfortable living environments, and one of the most important aspects of that safety is the strength and reliability of your home's entry doors. While a door may seem like a simple barrier, it plays a major role in protecting your household from break-ins, weather damage, and long-term wear. Professional door installation goes far beyond putting a door on hinges. It ensures that every component of your entryway supports maximum security, durability, and peace of mind. Expert installation ensures proper fit and alignment. A door that isn't installed perfectly can leave gaps, misalignments, and weakened points that intruders can exploit. Professional installers take detailed measurements and ensure the door fits the frame with precision. This eliminates vulnerabilities such as loose latching points, gaps that allow forced entry, uneven alignment that weakens the lock system. In Conshohocken, where homes range from charming historic properties to modern builds, each structure can have unique doorframe challenges. Professionals know how to adapt installation methods to different architectural styles, ensuring your new door functions as a solid, secure barrier. High-quality hardware for maximum protection. Even the strongest door is only as secure as its hardware. Professional installers use high-grade locks, hinges, and strike plates designed to withstand significant force. They secure components deep into the framing, which strengthens resistance against break-ins. Key hardware benefits of a professional installation include reinforced strike plates that resist kicking or prying, heavy-duty hinges securely anchored into the frame, precision lock alignment for smooth, dependable operation. Professionals also help homeowners choose hardware that balances security with everyday convenience. Whether you're considering deadbolts, smart locks, or multi-point locking systems, expert guidance ensures each component enhances your home's protection. Better materials and custom recommendations. Many homeowners choose doors for style, price, or curb appeal, but security should be a major deciding factor. Professional door installers understand which materials offer the strongest defense and how to tailor recommendations to Conshohocken's climate and neighborhood needs. Secure door options often include steel doors, extremely durable and difficult to force open; fiberglass doors, strong, weather-resistant, and reinforced for added stability; solid wood doors, thick and sturdy, offering both elegance and protection. A professional helps you select not only the right type of door but also the right core density, frame design, and reinforcements to maximize long-term safety. Enhanced weather resistance and durability. Security isn't just about stopping intruders. It's about ensuring your door remains strong over time. Poor installation leaves doors susceptible to warping, swelling, and moisture damage, all of which weaken the structure. In Conshohocken, changing seasons and humidity shifts can take a toll on improperly installed doors. Professional installation ensures the following: weather stripping is tight and secure, the frame is reinforced and properly sealed, the door remains stable and resistant to long-term wear. A well-installed door maintains its integrity, meaning it continues to protect your home effectively year after year. Advanced security features and upgrades. Home security technology has evolved, and professional door installers can integrate modern features that offer greater peace of mind. From video doorbells to smart locking mechanisms and reinforced glass inserts, experts ensure these additions are installed correctly so they operate seamlessly. This is especially beneficial for Conshohocken homeowners who want layered security, combining physical strength with smart home convenience. Peace of mind through certified workmanship. Ultimately, hiring a professional gives you confidence that your door is secure, stable, and built to last. Installers follow industry best practices, check every detail from framing to sealant, and verify that locks, hinges, and hardware perform as intended. Their craftsmanship reduces risk while increasing your home's overall value and safety.